welcome back to my channel, everybody. So first of all, I have to apologize to you all that I've taken a little bit of a hiatus away from making videos of my art and sharing them with you all. I've had some personal things going on, but nevertheless, I'm back, and respectfully here, being away from drawing or painting or whatever type of art that you are doing, particularly here with drawing, what I typically like to do if I'm taking a hiatus or had some time away from doing any type of drawing, I always try to do a little bit of a warm-up to kind of bring my creative mind, or bring my artistic mind and gift back to getting back into things here. So my warm-up can consist of just taking my graphite or drawing pencil and just doing a little bit of shading or rendering, going from light to dark or vice versa. Just to kind of get myself back into the groove of things, right? And I'll also do any kind of, free-form lines, to kind of loosen up my drawing hand, okay? And or what I call my drawing tests, where typically I teach this in my studio to my kids or even adults who are beginners. And I made a video of this at the very, maybe a few months or so ago, and posted it on my YouTube. You can kind of roll back through my videos and see the full version of this video, of this clip here. And so we have our eyes closed for about 10 seconds, and we just try to draw and fill up the entirety of the white paper, drawing paper here. And after 10 seconds, we open our eyes, and then we go into our drawing or our sketch here, and we try to find or highlight basic shapes, which could be a square, could be a rectangle, it could be a triangle, and it's not going to necessarily be a perfect shape of it, but we can get it as close as we can, or we can manipulate the lines to get them even better. So we try to look for those things, right, and highlight them. And then once we highlight them, we'll go in and we'll add some shading. Because in drawing, right, what really brings the drawing to life is not just the lines that we put together, but the shading, or the tonal values, going from light to dark, dark to light, having mid-tone values inside of these different shapes to help bring a little bit of life into our drawing. So this here, again, this is a bit of a warm-up as I have been away for a little bit and sharing my artistic journey of what I've learned along the way here and my time of drawing, painting, or different things that, in an art perspective that I've done here in my lifetime thus far. So now you can grab some very, basic things in your house or in your home, and you can kind of warm up with that. A cup, a container, pencil sharpener, any small thing that is not so complicated, where you can do a quick sketch and maybe add a little bit of shading in there just to give yourself a quick 5-minute warm-up, as what I've done here. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and again, I will continue to share videos with you all on all the things that I've done, and hopefully you all will put good use to some of these step-by-step instructions and things that I share with you all to good use. So thank you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please turn on your post notifications so that you are notified when I do post new videos here. And until then, you all take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.